Hey guys, this is Z-Man's Reviews, and we're going to review this Atomic Robot Man. As you can see, it's pretty cool, and yeah. And the box art kind of reminds me of the video game Fallout 4, because of the little mushroom cloud and the word atomic. I just thought that was pretty cool. For my younger viewers, that game is like rated M for mature, so you may ask your parents to play it, you may not, who knows, but yeah, not your parent, but yes. Anyway, it's pretty cool. The box art is incredible for that time, and yes, see the box art on here? They're the same on both sides, and yeah. Let's open this baby up and find out. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera down. As you can see, it's pretty cool. The detail on this thing is incredible at that time, way back when. This is an old toy brought back from the dead, so yes. And as you can notice, yes, there's a stop and go feature. What that means is this toy has an on and off button. Yeah. Stop means off, go means on. And yeah, it has a stop and go switch. And yes. And it's perfect for 132 scale army man. And yes. Yeah, let me set up a scene here. Oh my goodness. Let me set up a scene. Let me wind this up. I'll set it off to the off position. Yes. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me set up the scene. Run for your freaking lives! What was that about? Oh my goodness! Alright. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Oh no! Blech. Blech. Yeah, as you can see, this is pretty cool. Oh, wait, let me set up another scene. Run! It's just so much fun at these toys. Yes, I got this at Terra Toys. That's right. I got this at Terra Toys off of West Anderson Lane. Yeah, whoops, box fell. And yes, I got this toy at West Anderson Lane at Terra Toys. Toys. Yes. Yes. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. I will warn you though, this toy has mechanical problems. And yes, what that means is this toy has mechanical problems. I'm not joking. Like, I was really lucky that mine worked, but this toy has mechanical problems. I mean, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So you really got to be cautious about these toys because these toys can break quite easily. And yes, so you really got to be cautious about these toys because sometimes they might need lubricants to lubricate the parts. They might need oil, and yeah. So you got to like be cautious about these toys because it will break when you overwind it. You gotta wind it at least 4 or 5 times, and then it works just fine. If you overwind it, like, I don't know, say like 16 times, it will break. So don't overwind it, because it will break. Just wind it about 4 or 5 times or 10 times, then you'll be good. Yeah, this is Z-Man signing off. See you later, bye.